Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. Everyone on your video and sit properly. Gogu Vandana, Manichandana, Kaneboina Venu, Jveria, P. Karthik. All of you on your videos. Don't hide your videos, Amma. Okay, students. In last class, we discussed about decimals. Okay, we are discussing about decimals. Okay, we discussed about decimals, children. In today's class also, I am going to explain decimals revision exercise. Revision exercise. Already 6.4 up to 6.4, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4 bits completed. Exercise is completed. Now I will explain revision exercise. I given homework, but anyone did not send to me. That's why I will explain those problems, children. Revision exercise. Okay, dear student, in revision exercise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits are there, children. Okay, from these 8 bits, from each bit I will explain 1 or 2 problems. Remaining one, try to your own. First, Isam, Varun, Chennoju, Manichandana, Ayan. On your videos, Isam, Varun, are you listening or simply sleeping? Manichandana, on your video, ma. Joya Malika, P. Karthik, Juveria, Vignesh, Venu. Everyone on your video? Meshana. Okay. First one. First bit is express the following as decimals. Express the following as decimals. First one, 2 by 10. Okay, 2 by 10. 2 by 10, how can we write decimal form? Say once you revise, children, already in previous classes I explained. Zero point 2. Yes. 0.2. 2 by 10 equal to 0.2. This is the decimal form. This is fraction form. 2 by 10 is fraction form. 0.2 is decimal form. What is that? Gopu Vandana. Jun. What is that, Amma? Why are you sending messages first? On your videos, everyone. Don't send message. Okay, next second one. 18 by 100. 18 by 100. 18 by 100, how can we write in decimal form? 18 by 100. 18 by 100, how can we write in decimal form? Say anyone. In 100, 2 zeros are there. So how can we write in decimal form? Yes, 0.18. Very good, Vignesh and Rahman and Manisha. Good children. 0.18. Okay. Point after 2 digits. That is 18. Okay. 0.18. In 100, 2 zeros are there. So we can write point after 2 digits. Next, second bit. In that bit only 8 are there among. 8 are there. I explaining only 2. Only 2 problems. Remaining one, try to your own. Okay, you only complete. You know very well how to write in decimal form, how to write in fraction form, how to write in lowest terms. These are all topics we learned already. Just once I will revise. So once you listen right, next remaining one, try to your own. Try to your own. Okay. Next, second bit, write decimals for the following. Second bit. Write decimals. Let's write decimals for the following. Okay, what is first one? 3/10. 3/10, children. First one is 3/10. 3/10. 3/10 also given. 3 spelling also given. 3/10. How can we write first 3/10? Fraction form is 3/10. Fraction form is very good. 3 by 10. Then write in decimal form. Say decimal form also, Manish, Hamsini. 3 by 10, how can we write in decimal form? 2 by 10, we can write 0.2. Yes, very good, Manisha. 0.3. Good. Okay, next to second one. What is second one? 2300x. 2300x. First of all, write in decimal fraction. Okay, first of all, write in decimal fraction. After writing decimal form. Those who are listening class, those who are want to listen that class, also those members on your videos, children. Remaining members left the class first. Ayan, Isam, Varun, Manichandana, Vignesh, Kanavina Venu, Bhavyasri. These students first no need in this class. First of all, strictly I am saying. Now only I am only removing first. Ayan, on your video first. Manichandana, on your video. Why are hiding your videos first? Kartik, sit right. Sit properly, Kartik. Ayan, Kanyabaina Venu, Bhavyasri, Manichandana. I am observing to each and every student, Amma. Don't hide your videos. Sad, sit properly. Ayan and Kanyabaina Venu, Bhavyasri. These 3 members I will call after the class. These 3 children. Ayan, Kanyabaina Venu. Very good, remaining students. Meshana. Okay, good. Varun, Rajput, Manisha, Satvik, CH Yashwant, Menda Mahinder, Ailapuram Varun. CH Yashwant. Who is CH Yashwant? Okay. Don't hide your videos, children. End of the class. At the end of the class also, you on your video only. Don't hide your videos. Still now, Ayan and Kannebaina Venu did not on these videos. Okay. After the class, I will call to these children. 2300x. 2300x. How can we write in first fractional form? 23 by 100. Okay, 23 by 100, write in decimal form. How can we write in decimal form? 23 by 100. Same one. Yes, very good. 0.23. Okay, remaining ones, write your own. Okay, remaining one, try to your own, children. Okay, next, third bit. Write number names for the following. Number names. Write number names for the following. First one is 8.3. 8.3, how can we write in number name? How can we write number name? 8.3. 8 and 3 tenths. 3 is in 10th place. So 8 and 3 tenths. 8. 8 and 3 tenths. 3 tenths. Okay, this is the number line for 8.3. 8 and 3 tenths. Next one, 12.4. 12.4. 12.4 also. We can write in number name. How can we write in number name? 12 and 4 tenths. Point after 1 digit is there. So tenths. Point after 2 digits are there. We can write in hundredths. Point after 3 digits are there. We can write thousandths. So first of all here, point after 1 digit is there. So that is 4. 4 is in 10th place. So 4 tenths. 12 and 4 tenths. In this one only. Next, what is that? Third one. Third one also I am writing, children. What is third one? 16.03. 16.03. Here 16 is whole number. So 16 only write. Next, point after 03. 2 digits are there. So 300th. 300th. Because of point after 2 digits are there. 0 is in 10th place. 3 is in 100th place. So 300th. 16 is whole number part. Whole number. Point before number, whole number. So whole number. Right? 16. 16 and 03. 03 is decimal number. Decimal part. Decimal number. 0 is in 10th place and 3 is in 100th place. So 300th. 300th. Okay, children? Okay. Next bits also I will explain. Just write down. Did you complete or not? Okay, next one is, what is that? Fourth bit. Convert the following into fractions and write them in the lowest terms where possible. Okay, fourth bit. Convert the following into fractions. Into fractions. Into fractions and write them in the lowest terms where it is possible. Where possible. Where possible. Okay. First one is 0.2. First one is 0.2. First 0.2 write in fraction form. 0.2 is decimal form. Write in fraction form. 0/2. Hamsini, 0/2 wrong. Yes, 2/10. Very good, Manisha. 2/10. Good. 0.2. Write decimal fraction 2/10. This is 2/10. Write in lowest terms. How can you write in lowest term? With cancelling. Cancelling. Simplification. How can we do simplification? Just 2 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. 1/5 is answer. And 2 ones are 2 fives are. If cancelling also, with cancelling also, we can write the answer. Okay. Okay. Next one. 0.37. 0.37. First write in fraction form, after you have to do simplification. 0.37. 37 means 37. 37 by 100. Fraction form this one. 37 by 100. If it is possible here simplification, we can do. Otherwise, no need to do. 37 is odd number and prime number. So, I hope cancelling is not possible. Okay, simplification is not possible, I hope. I think. That's why leave it 37 by 100 only. Yes. Next one. What is next bit? Fifth bit. Write the following decimals in the expanded form. Fifth bit. Write the following decimals. In expanded form. Sad raised hand. Okay. What is your doubt, Nana? Sad. Sad. Sad, where is there? Do you have doubt, Sad? No. Yes or no? No. Okay. No. Write the following decimals in the expanded form. Expanded form. First one is 0.357. 0.357. Here 0 is whole number. Okay. No need to write it expanded form. For 0, no need to write in expanded form. But 0.357, point after 3 digits are there. That is thousandth number. Okay, we can write in expanded form. How can we write in expanded form? Here 3 is in 10th place, and 5 is in 100th place, and 7 is in thousandth place. So first 3 by 10. Yes, we started with 3 by 10 only. Because of here, in whole number part, 0 only is there. Or another number is there, okay, we can write it another number also. But here started with 3 by 10 only. Point after numbers only. 3 by 10 plus 5 by 100 and what is that? 7 by 1000. This is the expanded form of 0.357. Okay, 3 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Okay, next one more. 1.342. Second one, once you observe. Second one, 1.342. Then first one, the whole number part is 0. But here whole number part is 1. So 1 also we can write expanded form. In expanded form, 1 is in 1's place. Whole number part, 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000s, 10,000s, like that. But point after numbers, decimal numbers, expanded form and place value, how can we start? 10th, 100th, 1000th. So 1 plus 1.342 equals 1 plus 3 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. This is the expanded form of 1.342. Okay. Now I explained up to 5 bits, children. Remaining 6th one, 7th one, 8th one. Tomorrow class I will explain. Now still now in 5 bits, if you have any doubt, ask me. First bit is write in decimal form. Second bit is write in decimal form. And third bit is number name. Next fourth bit is lowest terms. Next fifth bit is expanded form. Next bit is short form, I think. Next one place value. Next one also pies to rupees. How can we change these? And already you learned. Okay. Otherwise, once again I will explain. Nothing will happen. Okay. Do you have doubt? Anybody? If you have any doubt, raise your hand, children. Okay, understand. Okay, so next I will write one more. Third one is 18.406. 18.406. Here 18. 18 also write in expanded form. What is the expanded form of 18? 10 plus 8. Right, 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 plus from 4 to decimal places started. Decimal digits. So decimal form. So 4 by 10. 4 is in 10th place. So 4 by 10. Next 0 is in 100th place. 0 by 100 is 0. So right or not right also nothing will happen. Next 6 by 1000. Okay. This is the expanded form of 18.406. Okay, children? Yes, 0 by 100, nothing but 0 only. So you can write or not write also, nothing will happen. No need to write 0 in expanded form. Okay, I hope you understand the class, children. In tomorrow class, I will explain remaining bits, children. But up to 5th bit, remaining one, try to your own in your CW. Okay, running notes. Okay, children. Thank you, Amma. Thank you, everyone.